Hi guys, so this is my hair. I have a lot to tell you guys about it. Well, I'm about to wash it. My hair routine nowadays, it's so simple, which is one of the things I love about having locks. But my locks has been, I think, getting to 3 years now, and I do the bare minimum with it. But yeah, I plan on taking better good care of it now. But yeah, I'm just going to walk you through my hair routine. I'm about to wash it now, and then I will try to put cream on it, and I need to retighten the front. Tightened like 1 month plus now, but you can see my edges are really rough, so I'm going to retighten the edges alone, and then just put something on the front because my hair doesn't look good when it's too full, because I do have a lot of hair. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll be doing a lot more lock videos. But yeah, let's go. Hi. So my hair is done. Washed it, conditioned it. Sorry, I didn't have time. If you want a detailed review on how I wash my hair, let me know. But yeah, so I've conditioned it, gave it a very good wash. Feels squeaky clean. So the next thing now is I'm going to retighten the front of it, because as you can see, it still looks a bit outgrown. And I'll also show you what I do to the the locks, the white spots. You can see this, and then unfortunately this is unpreventable. This is shedding. This is what happens when I had children. The hair sheds, but thankfully it didn't die out fully. So yeah, it turned out. I'm deciding to keep it until it grows out more, and then I'm going to just cut it off. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to retighten, and I'm going to show you how I fix these white areas, here. So yeah, I have a lot of hair, guys. I have a lot of hair. What's that? Okay, I think this is conditioner. Yeah, I did use deep conditioner. Yeah, so I have a lot of hair, but the front of my hair is playing up because of children, which I'm very grateful for. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to retighten the front of the hair now. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So yeah. I have a little gel. It's not really necessary, but we have locks, so we can manipulate a bit. So I put the locks, and if there's any hair out, like this one, my hair grows out, I'll just twist it. So I'm just putting it around and around. Ada, no talking. Then I'll interlock, and the focus is on the front of the hair because we want to make sure all the hair at the front goes into the lock. So making sure there's no other hair on it. So I am not interlocking from just one side, but I'm doing like a V kind of interlocking. Guys, I can only do this one on this thing because I need a mirror. See, I'm making a mistake already. I need a mirror to do this. I'm just doing this experiment just to show you. Experiment. Yeah, so. Yeah. A V I do on that side, and then I do on this side. Then I go back to this side. Yeah. Okay, so I continue down till it's good. So it looks good enough. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. So yeah. So yeah, so I'm going to do that to all the front until I have to go and be a mom. But basically, that's it. Yeah. I'm done with retightening. I had to go, so this is how it looks. So now I'm going to edit a little part in the middle because, like I said, too much hair on my face does not suit me. So there's many styles I can do with this. I can do a hair like this. It's messy. I can do like this, and I can, just do a bun like this. So I want to show you how I cover this, issues like this. I use a marker, a permanent marker. I dyed my hair less than a month ago. Dyed my hair less than 1 month ago when I retightened, so there's no need to do it again because then it's too much. So basically I use this and I color in. That's it. So yeah. Anyway, that's it, guys. My daughter is singing for you. Alright, guys. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.